Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So yeah, this is the next day in our home in Italy. So this is morning routine today. This is the next day, so we are going to mowing the grass, and together with my husband and me, I'm going to work here. As you see, this I'm gonna use this machine. We have a lot of machine here, so I'm gonna use this machine, guys. So come along with me. This is so nice and making the life easy and the life better. So this one is making the life better. I wanna trim this side. I love the way my husband cuts the grass. You know, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, wow, shun. So beautiful, but amechoka jamani. Unajua tulikuwa tumefanya kazi. Guys, I want to show you around. This is evening now. It's around 8 o'clock. Huh? Yeah, it's around 8 o'clock. I want to show you around how it looks like. Yeah, so nice, beautiful. As you see, guys, this light, it's lighting at night. Yeah, starting actual 8 o'clock. See how it looks like. I want to show you around, guys. This is at the gate. Yeah, there is a one light. It's not. I'm just checking all the light. Another one is there. Another one is this. All this light is lighting at night. Another one is it's hiding there, but we have another one here. We have another one here, but I don't know why it's not powerful. Just because it's finishing the time, I think. Yeah. This is our house, and it has camera. So nice. I think, guys, you have seen it. I'm sorry for not hearing me good because I don't have a microphone. I don't know, microphone or what. Yeah, I think microphone. But I don't know. I want to go this place to see the flowers. You know, this our home. I have a very beautiful flower. In fact, Italy, we have a very beautiful flowers. The flowers are there, but because it's night, you cannot see. We have light everywhere. Because it's night, you cannot see proper. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow again. We're still here working a little bit before we go back Switzerland. We're still here. You know, it's summertime, so normal summertime I'm coming home to work, to do things, clean my home, not stay like bush. So every summer now I'm gonna coming here. We thank God so much for the gift of life. All this, it's not me, it's God, guys. So yeah. Good morning, guys. It's another morning again. We are here in our home, Italy. We're gonna start working again because it has been long since we came here. So I think now this summertime we are here at home, and yeah, as you see, guys, it's springtime, and it's so green, and you know, it's so beautiful because when you wake up in the morning, you hear the sound of birds. You know, it's so nice. You know, I love it so much. And yeah, our house surrounded by greenish, and there is this a bush forest. This for all forest. This is for us 3,000 meter square meter, 3,000 meter. Yeah, you see, guys, it's a morning now. I'm gonna take you around again. Yeah, and today I'm gonna work myself and my husband continue to mow in the grass today morning. You see, guys. Yeah, this is how it is. You see the way it is. Imagine, I'm really happy because we don't have a very neighbor. They're very far, like that one there, and the next neighbor we have one. But here yeah, this is our bush. Now we are spring, but when it's come about summer, all over it's green. Now you see a little bit green, and yeah, just because during the winter the leaves, the trees lost their leaves. Yeah, you see, guys, so beautiful. I'm really happy for this, and I thank God for everything, because this is about, it's not us, it's God. Yeah, this is we are having this company here, the big company, yeah, for producing, I don't know what, yeah, I don't know very much, cotton, I think. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, you see, guys, so now I'm gonna work here today, because you see there is a gravel, but it's so grass, you know. This is gravel. I have to remove the grass today. And I woke up this morning because the weather is nice and fresh. When it's come afternoon, it's sunning and burning. So now I'm gonna work here. Yeah, you see, guys, this is our gate. We use remote control to open the gate. Yeah, it's so beautiful, by the way. Yeah, so today is the next day today. Yeah, me today I'm gonna working here in the grass. I'm a little bit tired, but yeah, yesterday we work a lot, but my husband, he worked more. You see this machine here, guys. What I love here, it's so nice, and everywhere it's green. I'm telling you, guys, here it's paradise. I'm telling you. You see what is that? This is our bush, you know. It's 3,000 meters. This bush is for us. Yeah. Uh, Sometimes I mix language. My mother language is Swahili, so if you hear language you don't understand, it's my mother language, or meine Muttersprache. I'm speaking. I'm speaking English, German, and little bit Italianish, and meine Muttersprache. My mother language, it's Swahili. So sometimes I'm mixing Swahili so that many people they can understand what I'm speaking about. And yeah, we have a lot of fruit here. This is kiwi. This you see here, it's not shady. This is kiwi. It's producing a lot. And there, let me show you. There is a 2 trees there. So nice, that one. Let's show you. This under this one is for, let me zoom so that you can see. This is apple. It's producing a lot. We have these apples there. Then we have this kiwi here. Yeah, I'm gonna show. I'll take you around in the morning, because in the morning you can see very nice. You can see very clear than afternoon. Yesterday I've taken photo picture, but yeah, you cannot see clearly because it's sunny. And as you see here, guys, you see the flower. I love this flower. It's so beautiful. You see this flower here is so nice. Yeah? Mm? So beautiful, guys, this flower. I love so much. And yeah, we have another one here. This house is for garden house, for keeping the garden equipment we are keeping here all. And you see another flower, so nice. You see, so beautiful. This one here, we have a lot, by the way. And that one, it's figgy. Figgy, it is in the Bible, the fruit Jesus was using a lot. It's here. This one, it's producing a lot. We have another tree there of figgy. It's producing out even a lot. Yeah, and this is this tap here. It's for garden. So summertime, we gonna water the garden. Yeah, because summer it's not very, because here it's nice, because even if summer it's sunny, but it's fresh because of the bush. And we have a lot of tree. And this one we use for the garden. This one we use for the garden. And this light is for when it's come urban evening. This light, we have a lot of light in the garden. So yeah, guys. And yeah, and this is our house. We thank God so much. And that is my husband. My husband is working a lot. Since yesterday, he's working a lot. Myself, I'm gonna work a lot, because we have a lot of work to do. Most of the time we are not here, but nowadays we spend more time here because it's our house. And yeah, because we gotta make gemuse. What is that? Gemuse, a fruit garden for vegetables. And yeah, it's like that. Yeah, I'm gonna trim this tree even today. I'm gonna work here myself. I'm so happy. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you very much.